Hello, my name is Emine and I am the founder and teacher with Sprouting STEMs, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. I've been teaching for almost a decade now, and most of my career has been focused on STEM education, specifically with the pre-primary level and elementary level. And we do that in many ways, whether it's through coding or virtual reality robotics. But where I see the kids really shine is with the engineering challenges. I pose an engineering challenge to the kids, and they create things using materials from around their house. When they have ownership of their learning, which they do with these challenges, they just light up with joy and enthusiasm and get so excited about learning and coming to class. And that's what STEM education does. It takes the skills that they're learning in school and make them apply them to the real world. So I'm really excited to share this experience with you and your families, and I hope you do join me on Classparty.